Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're vlogging and I'm actually about to get my nails done. So this is going to be a come with me to the nail salon vlog. So here's my nails currently. This is S&S. I'm actually getting something fun. I ended up finding a new nail person to go to because I just have not been satisfied with how my nails have been going. I have like a whole little nail inspo page saved on my Instagram. So this is what I'm thinking about getting. Not this long, but I want, cute Eastery pastel colors, ombre. So I'm thinking about getting this. Well, this is what I actually sent the nail tech to see if she can do. But I found other pictures while, just the days go by. Like this one is really cute, and then there's one that looks just like it, but it's shiny, it's not matte. And then this one looks really cute. So I just don't know what I'm gonna get, but I don't know. I'm paying for ombre, so I think I'm gonna get an ombre. But yeah, so let's go. So here's the last glimpse of my nails before I soak them off. So yeah, here's my natural nail. You guys always ask. I just get overlays. So she is using nail forms to build up the acrylic. We are doing colored acrylic powder, not polish. So I'm really excited. She was mixing colors up to get, the right shade of the colors that I wanted, because some of them were really bright and I wanted them more muted, like pastel-y. So the nail tech used a file to shape my nails mainly. Like, she didn't use a drill to get the shape. Like, she filed the hell out of my nails. She did such an amazing job, as you'll see, as the video progresses. But you guys, my nails look so good. So this was the only time she used a file on my nails, and this is just her shaping around my cuticles and thinning it out, making sure it's all smooth. I really like that she rubbed my nails as she was filing and drilling to make sure it was smooth. Like, there's no lumps, there's no bumps, there's no dips. Like, my nails are the bomb. Yeah, shape. So yeah, this is the final step. We are doing a gel top coat, so of course I will let that cure under the light. But you guys, this nail tech was so bomb. I'm so happy I found her. I was just so over having lumpy, just ugly nails, okay? So I will have all her information in the description box for you guys, because she is the bomb. So if you're in Atlanta, you want to come to Atlanta, get your nails done, I will have her information listed below for you guys, because listen, I love my nails so much. She nailed the picture that I showed her, like it's even better. So yeah, this is the final step. She's just adding a little bit of oil to my cuticles, to my fingers, and yeah. So here's the final look-see. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.